In this video, we are going to see sample program for instrumentation testing. Generally, we are writing instrumentation testing under the folder of Andas test package. Instrumentation test cases generally run on Android device or an emulator. After run our instrumentation test cases, in background, our app will be installed first. Then our testing part of app also will be installed. Then which control our app. Then launching it the particular activity and running UI test cases as needed, whatever we written code. And instrumentation test case can be used to test other non-UI logic also, especially when we need to test code that has dependency as a context related, and especially useful to launch a particular activity separately and will test it in UI functionality. And I have used below dependencies in Android Studio and selected for Java 11 version, like Java version path I have given below, and I have used three dependencies to run as a IS test cases. Normally, unit test cases run on a JVM. It does not require any device or emulator. For BDD, we can able to cover our entire flow to starting the functionality and to the logics. We can UI logics we can able to involve it. But here, instrumentation test cases will do some minimum level of testing. See here, I have used it to write for some simple login and sign up page using our main activity and landing page UI design. Then I have written the same test cases for the particular UI testing. I have opened a separate emulator here. Now I am going to run the main activity first to test instrumentation test case classes. Right click and click on run main activity test class first. See, or launching a particular activity in our Pixel Pro 6 device. Wait, it's loading. See, our mobile number and passwords typed automatically and clicking on button, then reaching our landing page. Then test cases will be closed. Here I have written the same IS test cases with some little changes of code. Here I have used the activity scenario rule with the help of role and the JVM field. Same, and a few of the codes I have commented here. Just will run this test case and you will see the output. Then one by one you will uncomment out and you will run the similar function, some other logics also. Here the first, another one is I have used the same rule with a different syntax. Here also I have used the activity scenario role here only. The same here I am registering as a instrumentation test registry and getting as a app context. Just checking the app packages here. The same the on view and these are the espresso using functionalities. See, here also the same activity scenario, but here I am launching as a separate particular activity. These also will run the same link. Next one is for similar launching activity, but here I have used activity test role, which is like a duplicated one. For kotlin, this is duplicated, so we are using like activity scenario rule. Here activity scenario launching particular activity also we are launching here and testing the instrumentation test cases here. That's it. The complete source code shared via our GitHub project. Thank you. Ping me if you have any query.